Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 26 of saving daily in April. I am bringing $10 every day, and my goal is to get through as many minis and tinies as I can that I have in my stash. I have been doing videos and saving money this way for a little over 2 years, and in that time I've collected so many I never even wanted to count them. I have no idea how many there are, but there are a lot. So I am ready to keep at it. I've been doing this since December 1st. I am not going to bring it into May doing it daily, but I will keep doing the minis and tinies with quarters, and I will bring that into a couple of my videos starting in May. So I will continue on saving with quarters this way because it is such a fun way to just use up my stash and get a little bit extra money to go to some fun things that I like to save for. So let's put our $10 in our bank. So we've got our 5 there and our 5 ones in the back. And then I'm going to take my bow from Jeanette at Jeanette's Journey and leave that there. And we are going to start at 1 again. So I have my little pink D3 dice. I'm just using this here to help block the die from flying all over the place. All right, day 26. How are you guys doing? Are you having a good weekend? I hope so. I hope you are. I hope I'm sleeping in today. That's my goal for today. Fingers crossed. All right. 1 for 1. 2 for 2. You know what I want. Did not get it. 1 for 3. 2 for 4. 1, 2, 3 for number 5. 1 for number 6. I know we finished some yesterday, but I don't remember if we were close on others. 1 and 2 for number 1. 2 for number 2. There it is, 3 for 3. 1 and 2 for 4. 1 and 2 for 5, and 6 is getting 1. I have 2 left, so let's see if they're all going to go to 1. Yes, so we will start on number 2 tomorrow. Okay, clean up a little bit. Cheers. All right, number 1 looks like it got $1.75. And number 1 is, oh, we needed 75 cents. So we finished this one from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. So apparently we are close. So we can take these, put them there, and I will color. Oops. Awkward. I'll color these and be right back. All right. That is that. That's for $5. So we have $1 we get to put into a new one. So let's go to our extras, and we're just going from the back and moving forward. All right, so we have from Savings Made Simple, this little spooky one that she had. This is one of her minis that I got in Happy Mail. This will save us $5. So I'm going to use a Sharpie because I know a Sharpie will work on this laminate. So we have $1. So let's do Icky Spider, Icky Spider, Icky Spider, Icky Spider for $1. I love Bella at Saving Made Simple. I do not like spiders. All right, so put that in there, and then this one's done, and then number 2. Okay, so we got $1.50 for number 2. Up, and we just needed $1. This one is from the Enchanted Owl's Nest. I guess yesterday when I did the comparison, that was a little unfair because it was just after I did that, but still, it's pretty close to when it's wet versus dried. But there's a big difference between the Crayola Clicks and the Sharpie. So that one's done. So we have 50 cents to go into a new one. I don't know if I put enough extras in here. Oh, choose happy. This is from Becca Budget 777. This is a big one. I don't know if we'll finish this before the month's out. So we are going to do 2 happy faces. The dogs are probably going to start barking because I think either the mail or Amazon is here. Oh my God, I can't believe a dog hasn't barked yet. Okay, so number 3. We have $1.50. Let's see what number 3 is. FedEx. Okay. So we have $1.50. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 25. Oh, we just needed $1.25. We finished another one. All right, I'm going to color these in. I'll be right back. Perfect. Okay, we need another one. So it's extras, yes. So going to the back, picking the next one. Oh my goodness, that's so funny. We just finished that one and we're doing this one. All right, so this one gets 25 cents. So we'll mark off that present from Bookish Mama Budgets. And then number 4 has $2. And number 4 is all from Amy by Nature. Oh my gosh, we only needed $1.50. Okay. So we finished another one. So 25, 50, and then 1, 2, 3, and 4 for $1. You'll fall for me. She looks so fluffy. Okay, go back to extras. Oh, we're going to do another big one. Oh, goodness. I should have picked a smaller one. So this is from Candy at Stuff and Budget. This is 2034 is the year of the tiger. We're going to put 50 cents in. Since I have my click art, no, Crayola Clicks, I will use that orange. All right, 50 cents to start that one off. All right, and then number 5. Ooh, okay. So we have $2.50 for number 5. You can see all that. Oh, we just needed $1, so we can take that $1 away. So we have $1.50 to go into a new one. I'm going to color these in from the Enchanted Owl's Nest. $4 more. I did not expect to finish this many today, or I probably would have put more in the extras. All right, so this one is all. We have another puppy one from Kayla at Evergreen Budgets, formerly Printable by Woods. So we can do $1.50. So 25, 50, 75, $1, 25, and 50. So $1.50 going into that one. All right, so this can go away. And then last but not least, we have 75 cents going into number 6. And number 6 is one of mine from me. I believe this is a digital on my Etsy and possibly website. So we have 25, 50, 75, and $1. So 75 more cents. We'll finish that one out. Actually, 1, 2, 3.75. So this one needs to be 50 cents. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will save us $4 if I do the 50 cents. Okay. Quick math, quick math. Oh my gosh, we finished a bunch. All right, so let's go back up here. A little mix of the coins. Go to our bank. All right, let's see what we need. We finished, oh my goodness. We finished 5? Holy cow. All right, so that's 2 4s are $8. 8 plus 2 3s is 6, so 8 and 6 is 14, plus 5 is $19. We have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Wow. That is crazy. So then we go back here, we stick our $19 there, and our 5 completed challenges. I cannot wait to count to see how many minis and tinies we completed. The majority of them are for my stash. Every once in a while I'll bring something that's new that I just want to play with, but the majority of it is my stash. All right, guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me. I appreciate you so much. Day 26 done, and I will see you tomorrow for day 27. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.